Hi guys, and welcome to 6 St Leonards Road, Kelston, West Auckland. Okay, this is a really small complex. It's 8 1, 2 and 3 bedroom townhouses. The ones are priced from 449 to 459, the two 605 to 615, and the 3 bedroom is 709,000. These also come with a $20,000 discount per purchase. The developer's incentivizing us to get rid of these and get them sold because they want to start building them ASAP. Now this is a location with a median price point of $730,000. So these properties are significantly below that, and they're brand new infill housing. But more importantly, these are cash flow positive, forecast $3,000 to $6,000 per annum per unit. So pretty hard to go wrong in a location that with solid growth historically and expected, huge population increase in this area, and not only that, if you rent these out at what the market's saying they're going to rent for when they're finished, $3,000 per annum pre-tax positive to $6,000 cash flow pre-tax positive. Pretty hard to go wrong there. So check out this deal. There's all the information on our website. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact one of our team and they will take you through it. But 6 St Leonards Road, Kelston, pretty hard one to argue about. Thank you.